Sabae, Fukui Prefecture. The optical playground for eyewear enthusiasts, frames are worn by celebrities and people of notoriety. Globally inclusive of the late Steve Jobs and KFC Colonel Sanders. The aspirations of two brothers Masunaga and Kahachigo Zaiman, visionaries at heart, wanted to bring value to their village. Hence, they invited skilled craftsmen from Osaka to teach them and the local villagers about the production of eyewear during winter's off-seasons. This would be beneficial in the years to come and later flourished during the printing boom on a wide scale, setting the stage for the Masunaga factory in Fukui City, which was later relocated to Sabae City, giving birth to similar factories that would later aid in the advancements of the eyewear industry both internationally and on a home print. Fast forward to 2022. Sabae City has a 90 to 95% market share of Japanese frames sold domestically and overseas. Innovations are and have always been high on the agenda, as the world's first titanium frames were developed in Sabae. The manufacturing process is said to encompass 200 steps. To furnish a complete pair of glasses, here you can make your own custom eyewear frame strap. The process takes 1 hour and costs 800 yen. For those who are not on a shoestring budget and can splurge, you can create your own custom frames, alongside an industry professional utilizing a vast array of materials, styles, and so on from A to Z, all for 22,000 yen. However, you would need to budget 8 hours including a 1-hour break. There are English-speaking personnel available, so don't worry about any language barriers that may arise. The souvenir store is equivalent to a fancy hole in the wall. Nevertheless, the museum is free, so please be sure to show your support for the upkeep of this gem by purchasing something as a memory of your trip.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems